Class 8th. Today we are going to do revision on MCQs of direct and inverse proportions. Fine. So here it is. First one. 8 is to 16 is equals to 16 is to A. So we know it is in proportion. Product of extremes is equals to product of means. 8 into A is equals to 16 into 6, that is 96. So I got A is equals to 12. This is so easy. 24 into 6 is equals to 8 into M. Bring 8 down here and find out the value of M. It comes out to be 18. If two quantities X and Y vary directly, then X by Y is constant. We know that is a direct proportion. A car is traveling at a speed of 54 kilometers per hour at a distance of and covers a distance in 2.5 hours. At a speed of 45 kilometers per hour, it will cover the same distance in स्पीड ज़्यादा है तो टाइम कम लगेगा, स्पीड कम है तो टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. इट इज इनवर्स. So this is speed, time is 2.5. If the speed is this, what will be the time? It is an inverse proportion. 54 into 2.5 is equals to 45 into x. 54 into 2.5 by 45 is equals to x. 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54. Bring this here, 10. 5 5s are 5 2s are 2 3s are 6. So it is 3 hours. Next one. Which one quantity is, if when one quantity is increased, the other quantity is also increased. The proportion is direct. A tree of 20-meter height cast a shadow of 7 meters long. What is the height of the tree that cast a shadow of 10 meters long? Direct. If the tree is 20, shadow is 7. So what is the height of the tree when the shadow is 10? So direct one, 20 by 7 is equals to x by 10. So 200 by 7 is equals to x. So I get it. Instead of that, just change the question here. Okay. So if I divide this with this over here, children, I get it around 200 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 6 0, 7 8s are 56. 4 0, 7 5s are 35. Around 28.5. So the option over here will be taken as 28.5. That is this. Next, Raju earns rupees 2640 if he works for 12 days. 2640 राजू की अर्निंग है 12 दिन काम करने पे. If he works for 20 days, how much he will earn? Direct. So 2640 by 12 is equals to x by 20. 2640 into 20 by 12 is equals to x. 12 2s are 24. 2s are 24. 0. I get it as 4400. The cost of 18 pence is 234. A dozen pen will be, cost of 18 pence is 234. Dozen means 12 pence का cost कितना होगा? Direct. 18 by 234 is equals to 12 by x. X is equals to 12 into 234 by 18. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18, 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. 78 into 2, I get it as 156. Next, there are enough food to last for 40 people for 10 days. 40 लोगों के लिए 10 दिन तक का खाना है. If 10 more people join, 10 more people join मतलब 50 लोग बन जाएंगे तो खाना कितने दिन काम आएगा? इनवर्स, कम दिन हो जाएंगे, is equals to 50 into x. So for 100 by 50 is equals to x. So it will last for 8 days. 25 laborers can build a wall in 4 days. 25 laborers 4 दिन में दीवार खड़ा कर रहे हैं. सेम काम अगर 20 लेबर्स को करने के लिए दे, इफ ओनली 20 लेबर्स रिपोर्ट फॉर वर्क, कितने दिन लगेगा? ज्यादा दिन लगेगा. इनवर्स, so 100 by 20 is equals to x. So it will take 5 days to finish the work. So on this pattern, you are going to have a MCQ test in tomorrow's class. Just go through these questions nicely, children. That's all for today.